In this video, I will show you how to turn your own photos AI generated characters and then animate them into short video using another AI tool. It's super easy, completely free to start, and trust me, the results are mind-blowing. Let's get started. To generate AI images, we will use a tool called Artflow. I have added the link in the description. Just click it and it will take you to the site. Once you are there, scroll down to see different styles like model, magician, warrior and more. But before you create anything, you will need to sign up with your email. Now click the create your AI actor button. First choose your character gender and age, then a name for your character. Next, upload at least 5 photos of yourself, but for the best results, use different angles and facial expressions. This helps the AI captures your features accurately. Once uploaded, click start training. This process takes a few hours, so go do something else while the AI works its magic. When your character is ready, go to the image studio to check out the results. You will see different AI generated versions of yourself, maybe as a sorcerer, an office worker, or even a scientific hero. Let's click one. Wow, this looks like real movie scenes. Now let's generate a custom image. Click create new image, choose an image type and aspect ratio. If you want, select an image style like cinematic, fantasy or anime. Then enter a detailed prompt for what you want. Not sure what to write? Just ask ChatGPT to generate an advanced prompt for you. Paste it into the prompt box, add your AI character's face and click generate. Boom, you now have an epic AI image of yourself in any scenario. Now let's take it a step further and animate our AI images into short video
using Clean AI.
Click AI videos, image to video, upload your AI generated image, enter a simple prompt describing the animation you want, adjust creativity settings and click generate. After a few moments, your static AI image transforms into an animated cinematic scene. Imagine making a mini movie where you are the main character. With AI tools like Artflow and Clean AI, you can easily create stunning AI characters and bring them to life in videos. Want to generate more videos? Artflow gives you 5 free images.
Artflow AI has free plan and 3 paid plans, Starter, Pro and Enterprise. Paid plans offer more credits, longer video creation and premium features. The starter plan is $12.83 per month, Pro is $40 per month with discount for annual billing. Enterprise offers custom plans with additional benefits. Choose the plan that best suits your needs and budget.